use any kind of flux. Don't try to use any acid or any kind of paste. No chemicals of any kind. Just clean your aluminum and get the weld in your aluminum. Couldn't get the barbecue grill to work, so we'll try this alternative. You don't need great heat, you just need to get it evenly hot. And even this little burner is not working right, but it'll be alright. Anyway, go ahead and get it good and hot, don't worry about it. Go and drink a cup of coffee. Get your vice grip. Get a hold of it somehow, some way. Well, let the fire go out. Now screw this in there while it's still hot as you can. Now that we've got it in there, we're going to do some more welding on it. We're going to make sure come out. It's that simple. Now we're going to get it out of here. Let it cool off. And you don't take it and cool it with water. Just let it cool naturally. You do not want your aluminum to cool fast, especially your aluminum castings. Let them cool slowly. Then you'll have a good job. Anyway, there's the weld. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there it is. It's still not cool. It's still molten. Was 18 inches, now it's 9 inches. We used 9 inches of that rod repairing that little compressor. Now no telling how much a new head would have cost that little compressor, even if you could find one. I don't know how in the world you'd ever find the head in the first place, but it's repaired good as new. Something that's difficult to heat up, maybe large, or you're out in the wind where it's taking your heat away, you can use map gas and the same torch. This is a Burns-O-Matic 4000 TS4000 torch. You can get it in any hardware store in the whole United States. Ace Hardware, True Value, Home Depot, Lowe's, Builder Square, any of the building supply houses will have it. Where they sell lumber and they sell hardware, they'll have this torch. Now this is a good torch. This torch cost about $37 or $38. Now the little torch that just have a pipe sticking out, and it just has a knob on the side that you have to light the torch with a match. Don't use it. It won't heat anything up. It may use the same propane, and it may put out the same heat in Fahrenheit, but it does not put out enough fire to do any good. And besides that, if you turn it upside down, it ordinarily goes out. Now, you can also use an acetylene torch, and acetylene torch works great. But if you do, don't do it like you've been doing on steel. You'll blow holes all over your aluminum. I'd tell them to turn both regulators off. Turn the acetylene regulator on just enough to get the torch lit. And then stretch the flame out just before it starts blowing real black smoke. And turn just a little bit of oxygen on, just enough to bring your flame down where it's not blowing black smoke. When you get through, I want you to have a long, red, soft flame with a long inner core. If you do that, you'll do good. Now,